Hi vlogger, so we are in the middle of a power outage. I'm being very quiet because I have a little chap asleep, but yeah, we're in the middle of a very strong windstorm and we just blew 4 of the transformers. Yeah. And everything's dark. It's the first time I've actually seen my street go dark before, so it's pretty awesome. But you know, candles. My dad did inform me now's the time that like people come out and break into things, so yeah, we're prepared weapon-wise and candle-wise. So let's take you out to the dark street and see what's going on. It's pretty darn cool outside though. So yeah, that's pretty dark out there. Let's go take a look, shall we? Dun, 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 dun. It's time to leave the safety of the candle behind. I'm just so afraid right now. I don't even know what to do. Let's go. I bet you can't see me, but if you can, my hand's in front of your face. This is natural outside light. Standing outside, I can see you guys a little bit, but yeah. You can't see me, but this whole street is black in a neighborhood that should be lit. Which is weird, because the only light I'm getting, I think, is from the covered moon, or I don't know exactly where this light source is coming from, because it's pretty late at night. So yeah, you guys enjoy. I'll let you hear a little bit of this for a while. So somebody's brake lights are lighting up, and there was a light just on, but they're gone now, so yeah. Hey, good guy. You okay? You okay? You don't like this storm? Yeah, you don't like it out there? It's okay. It's okay. You're good. Yes. Let there be light. Beautiful. We got another light. Alright, we're good again. So, yeah. Gonna be sleeping with my ears open for any kind of prowlers tonight. So, yeah. My dad says a lot of car break-ins and house break-ins are from people in power outages. And we are equipped and prepared. There's a couple weapons in each room, including mine. If you know me, then you know we'll be fine. So I do sleep with my friend who sleeps beside me. So, you know, no big. Usually I'll stab it in the window. So, you know, we're covered. I feel like Crocodile Dundee. Actually, I'm really tired. I have to go on my niece's field trip in the morning, and it's like late-ish. I want to say like, you know, getting into the 12s. It feels like the 12s. Might be like earlier. I don't know. It's just been a long day with school. But this windstorm was supposed to end at 9, and it's been like 2 hours. So I'll see you in the morning, and we can look at all the chaos from the street. See you in the morning, guys. Y'all want to sing Christmas carols? I love how even with no power, my shirt still like glows. It's because it's like my team. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, shine the light. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. So I'm totally not ready to be awake this morning because that windstorm was super loud and it kept me awake almost the night. So yeah. I have a field trip with a bunch of, what, 2 through 6-year-olds today. But the good thing is it's Blue Friday, so everybody will be wearing their Hawks gear. Yeah! Let's go see what's happening. Oh yeah! Sorry, thought it was your cue. Ooh. See what he made? Aside from the hot dog. Ryan.
That, folks, is a Philly cheesesteak.
What's that? There we go. Don't mind the hot dog there. Homemade pizzas.
Philly cheesesteak, barbecued by yours truly with sauteed onions, green peppers, fresh mozzarella cheese, flat iron steak, sauteed to perfection.
One of your fans was asking where Panob's been, by the way, because he was missing from the videos.
This will blow your taste buds away.
With the dramatic music. And then I cook. Well, if y'all are fans of like vegetable and rice stir fry, yeah.
Tell me that ain't the thinnest sliced hot dog y'all have ever seen.
So Ryan, I'm interviewing you. Oh no! I said his name. So, Panob.
Let's see how finally we can cube
This is really stupid.
a wiener. I feel like I can really get some little baby cubes out of this sucker.
This is what goes on at my house on a weekend.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Have y'all ever seen a piece of hot dog that tiny? Yeah, me neither.
Gross. So, how'd you feel after that big windstorm last night?
Tired.
Was it as hardcore as they said? Yeah, I would say so. I'd say that was an 8 on a
I
level.
love my dog Baxter. And a glass of scotch.
Good night. Well guys, I'm done for the night, so subscribe if you want. I think I'm getting a cold. No! Yeah, I know I have like the worst immune system in the world. Yeah, I'm just gonna head out. I got stuff to do, so if you're my subscribers, hi. And if you're just joining us, hello. I will see you guys tomorrow when we have Cherry Bomb. Bye bye. I'm feeling late. We still need a name.
Lollipop, lollipop, lollipop. I just realized there might be people. Hey, I want some of that. Wait. Hey.
In her Subaru. Hey. Where'd she go? Where'd she go? Where'd she go? I'm all alone. There she is. Hi.
Are you recording?
Take it from the top.
Warn me how.
Shall we try again?
Hey.
We're retards.
How white they got?
The sun. The sun. It hurts me. We should walk just with our back to the sun.
Hey.
Hey. Good morning.
Good morning.
For all of us who didn't sleep last night, happy tomorrow still, or no wait, the day before. Happy day before. I'm walking backwards because the sun's in my eyeballs. So that way you can get a nice glance of, you know, this person who's sporting leather. Yeah, so cute. I'm like gonna fall over a stick and we're both gonna laugh pretty hard. Huh?
There's a slight crack right there, but you're good. Just past it. I'm not talking about yours.
You're great. What are you, like 5?
Sometimes.
Oh, Okay, I can't see. It's too bright.